If you're a German manufacturer, for example, and you want to come and be close to your customers, manufacture for the world's largest market, are you going to site your manufacturing plant in Toronto with a 15% business tax rate or Detroit at 35%? This isn't rocket science. Our tax system is obviously not competitive. Our regulatory system isn't competitive. Those are the two areas that we need to concentrate on. The regulatory burden that faces all American businesses is onerous. The Competitive Enterprise Institute publishes an annual report. Their estimate of compliance costs right now is about $1.8 trillion per year is the cost to comply just with federal regulations. Now, let me put that number in perspective. Only 10 economies in the world are larger than $1.8 trillion. So we've gone way overboard. Listen, I think we all agree that the federal government has a role in creating the laws, creating the regulations that really create the rules for the road, to provide certainty to our economy. But that's not what's happening right now. Now we got the fourth branch of government, the regulatory agencies. It creates such a high level of uncertainty. We're not following law. We're changing laws. For example, Obamacare is one of the prime examples. People don't even know what is the law? How's it going to be enforced? And so what the federal government has to do is it's got to bring certainty to the regulatory environment. We've got to streamline and modernize our current regulatory system here in this country. If we do, it's a huge opportunity, because what we've got going for us in this country is we are the world's largest market, and any manufacturer tell you they want to be close to their customer. It's a huge advantage. We also have relatively cheap energy. Now, unfortunately, because of regulatory policies, we're artificially driving up the cost of power. And if you want to manufacture things, you need power. Cheap power is better than expensive power. Let's not artificially drive up the cost of energy. Let's not do what candidate Obama said, is enact policies that would necessarily cause energy prices, electricity rates to skyrocket. That's not a good policy. So let's keep energy prices reasonable. Let's utilize our energy resources. Let's reform our regulatory environment. We could have a manufacturing renaissance in this country and the state if we did those things. I think a recent report came out, there are 18,000 welding jobs, good paying jobs in manufacturing operations that are going unfilled. And so hopefully we can utilize our technical colleges and our high school counseling programs to get the word out that, if you don't think a four-year college is exactly what you want, or you want to take a little time, there's some great jobs in manufacturing for young people. They can start making money right out of high school. And there are plenty of businesses that are willing to train them as well. So, manufacturing, I think, can provide a core base of employment, good paying jobs for a strong middle class for Wisconsin. And all we have to do here is make sure we figure out how to make Wisconsin and America an attractive place for the kind of business risk-taking, business investment that allows business expansion and job creation.